Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a brand new video of Wattpad. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can log out of Wattpad on all devices. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you'll have to log in into your Wattpad account, and also you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, on the search box type in www.wattpad.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. And the next thing is that make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, next page will be directed to the profile page or the official site. You can see in the top right corner of your screen there is a username or your profile ID. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, from the drop down menu, tap on settings. Once you're in this page, in the top left corner of your screen there is a password. What you have to do is you'll have to create a new password. In order to make changes on your account, make sure that your email is verified. So then tap on change. Once you tap on change password, right in center there's a dialog box. So without entering your current password, you'll not be able to change your password or create a new one. In case you're not sure about your current password, then what you can do is you can simply tap on forgot your password in the bottom right, and you'll have some alternative method to create a new one. Now this method is for those of you who have forgotten your password. Now as I've mentioned before, that in case you've forgotten your password, all you need to do is tap on forgot your password, and then you'll have some alternative method to create a new one, and then you'll automatically log out of all other devices. So the other thing is that in case you know your password, and once you enter your current password, next what you have to do is you'll have to type in your new password, and in order to confirm a password you'll have to type in once again. And once you're done creating your password, tap on save. On the other page you've successfully created a new one, and after that you'll be logged out of all devices that you are currently active. And that is how you can log out of Wattpad on all devices. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.